Hello. Okay, thanks for telling me. Bye.
Hey, Eugene. Was there something you need?
My friend from the tax office said that you were deceiving all of us.
Damn it. I should have told you this sooner.
What to do now? I'm also involved in this. We've been friends since childhood.
Sorry, Eugene. I'll think of something.
The tax office will arrive in 15 minutes. You won't come up with anything.
Listen, Eugene. I have a house in the village that no one knows about. Go there with your family right now, and when everything settles down, I'll call you.
Thanks for the ride. Okay, I'm here. Now let's go in and head to sleep. Ugh. Can't they see I'm trying to sleep? Damn, it's like getting annoying. Oh my god! God damn it! I'm coming already. Grrrr. Now you better get off my porch before I beat the hell out of you. Take this. No. Why? Ha 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 ha. This is why you should never mess with a psychopath. Now I will take you away and lock you, so no one can find you. I got you, Gene. Perfect! Now, you go capture Emily, and I'll put him in the cell. And you might want to take your mask off. Ugh, you're right, 1 second. Goo, if so difficult wearing that mask. Now I'm going to capture Emily, and you go ahead and put Eugene in the cell, and I'll bring Emily and you put Emily into cell with Eugene. Alright, but one thing. Don't blow this up. Yes, sir, I won't let you down. Haha, I know you won't. Now go get her. Why does this house look like Eugene's? Okay, you know what? I don't really care. Let's just get her already. How can I get in? Right. The window is open. Here I come, you little bastard.
Huh? Who's out there?
Shit! I got to hide.
Who's out there? I guess I misheard.
Go to hell. Stupid asshole. Anyways, let's get in the house. Ugh. Oh my, I got to be quiet. Alright, now I'm just going to figure out the room where Emily is, without waking her parents up. Nope, that's her brother room. And it smells like ass. Gross. There she is. Here I come, you little brat. Ha 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 ha. Get ready to come with me.
Who's that?
Oh, no.
Oh. Get out of my house now.
No.
I said get out now, you intruder. What's your A?
Okay, bet. And then I must abuse you and knock you out at the same time.
You and this goddamn combo.
You know what? Screw this shit. Since I'm in Plotagon, time to do with the Plotagon style. Super Ultra Slap activate.
Z.
Moo ha 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 ha. Now I will take you away and lock you with Eugene. Ha 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 ha.
Emily, where are you? Wow. Okay, I'm calling my friends for help.
Oh, it's Galia. Hello.
Thanks for answering.
Galia, are you okay?
No, my daughter is gone. I have a feeling she may be kidnapped.
Oh no! That's terrible. Don't worry, me and my friends will help you find your daughter, and we're also on the look for Eugene.
Okay, please save them.
Oh, believe me, we will.
Bye.
Goodbye! Oh my gosh, I just hope we can save her daughter and Eugene.
Justin, guess what?
What's up?
Today we have being invited to the Nobles trip, so get ready to go.
Yay. I can't wait to go to Knobles.
Okay, calm down, Justin. Let's get ready to go.
Alrighty. But before so, meanwhile in the Robinsons estate.
But Dad, I don't want to go. It'll be boring as hell. I don't care. You're going whenever you like it or not. Now quit the attitude, or I'll fix it for you.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Knobles. Before we get started, I must go over the rules. Rule number 1, no wandering off. I want to keep everyone safe and sound. You can make sure we'll have a blast.
Well, I ain't, because my dumbass dad forced me up to here in this piece of shit festival.
You ain't doing shit. If that bastard says one more damn thing about my festival, I'll literally beat his ass, in front of everyone in this hoe. So control your kid.
Oh, that's okay, sir. You don't worry about my son. I got him my damn self.
Okay. Rule number 2, if you want to ride on rides, you'll have to get a ticket for your arm. And the ticket booth is over there by the thing I can't remember what it is. Because Plotagon doesn't have that. Rule number 3, there is an open game truck available. You're welcome to enter, but you have to buy a ticket booth. It costs $10. Rule number 4, if you want to buy some liquor you are welcome to, the only thing is, you have to be 21 plus or older to drink. Even though, I didn't need to go over the rules, because the rules are by that sign anyway. Other than that, enjoy!
What the heck? Justin, what happened to your shirt?
Well, it's probably because Plotagon don't have accessories separating from clothing, which is why this shirt comes with a game controller. Want to match?
Bet. Okay, let's do this. Okay, gotta get down. What the heck? Okay, get down, close the door. Okay, get to that, close that, and I will get this and then drop. Drop! Oh crap. I guess I'll just hide here then. Stupid. No, what?
Damn it. I lost.
Okay, it's my turn. Alright, let's speed run this. Ring the doorbell. And then go here. Cut the bulb. Okay. The mom is running. Okay, to here. Close that. Get the meat. Okay, go to the drawers. Okay, we do that. Then put the meat in there. We didn't do that. Do that. Yeah, we got it. 100. Okay, go there. Got the thing. Got it. Got that. To go here. There. Okay. We'll go this thing. Unlock it. This. Yeah. Got that. This. Okay. You are so stupid. Stupid.
Oh, right. I closed it on purpose.
I am so smart.
Damn, so much smoke.
Then we're gonna get the nails. Get this. Then that. Ring the doorbell again. Go hide.
I'm coming.
Then wait.
Where are you going again?
Then I'm gonna find the hammer. Go, okay. She is so dumb. She does not know where I am. Anyways, got the thing. Look at this. Let's get this. And then we're gonna go and get the thing. Okay, we'll get the spray. Got that. Spray. Got the crowbar. Okay. But then we're gonna get out of here. Let's go, 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 go. Okay. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, 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 come on. Yes, let's go. Yes. Let's go.
Bro, how did you beat it?
I got good gaming skills. Go to my house sometime and I can teach you.
Okay, I think I'll think about it.
Where the hell am I? Emily? Ugh, it smells like fish in here. Emily. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Where are we? Eugene, is that you?
Yes, it's me. Where are we?
I don't know, but if we don't get out of here, we're going to rot to dust.
I agree. Let's try to escape. Huh. Who's walking here? Ha 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 ha.
Well, this is that the traitors, Eugene and Emily.
You son of a bitch. I should have known you were behind all of this. Why would you do this?
Well, hear me out, bucko. I am doing this because after you two escaped my barn, I was mostly pissed off. Now you won't leave here.
Wait a minute, hold up. Let me get this straight. So you mean, you trapped us both here, all because we escaped your barn? Man, you must really have rabies.
Don't you get cocky with me. Because I can kick your ass right here, right now.
Why don't you just kill us now? That way it'll teach your head some license.
How about you meet my partner?
What partner?
Hey fisherman, come over here.
Why hello there, peasants.
Oh my god. You look like a licensed bitch.
Frank, let me in there.
What's wrong? You're mad. You better spec your ass the fuck up before I beat you up. Take this.
Fight, coward.
Oh.
Ha ha! Ha 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 ha. I told you I'm stronger. I love to stay and chat, but I got to get going. And while you're at it, make sure you make your 5 days count.
Why should I?
Because you both were going to be nuked here. Ha 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 ha.
No. Oh.
Shut the hell up, or get another round.
What's A?
Wah.
Do you realize that Cameron, Andrew, and the rest haven't arrived?
Yeah. I just realized it after you told me. I wonder what's keeping them? Well, they'll probably make it here. They're probably off doing errands or something.
Well, I guess you're right.
Well, what should we do now? I will make a thunderstorm with the machine, and so they will cower before us. Oh.
Good idea. Go ahead and do it.
What's going on?
Okay, let's get out of here. Fast.
Pink's World Cartoon, get off the surfboard, we're in danger.
Right behind you.
Come on, we got to keep moving.
Right behind you, just. Ha 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 ha.
So long, sucker.
Can it be?